everyone. So today I'm going to start a new pipeline of GCP, Google Cloud Platform. So I will be using of Google Cloud Platform, different kinds of services in this. So I'm going to use Google Cloud Storage as well as BigQuery as well as Cloud Function to make this pipeline, as well as I will be using a coding of Python. So all these resources I will be just mention in my description. And if you haven't set up these tool like Python as well as GCP free account as well as VS Code, I already made the video on these tools. So please go there and watch the video how to set up and make this uh, setup in your local machine. So let me just show you. So when you just enter free account, your GCP free account, it will be look like this type of interface of GCP. So here you have to search IAM. So first I am going to start very basic to advanced manner. IAM you have to search. So when you will just search IAM and admin, so you will find out this type of page, this type of interface. So if you haven't watched IAM video, so I have already made the IAM video. Please go there and watch and like and share and subscribe our channel. So IAM here you will find like I already made like with the using of this Gmail ID. This is my demo Gmail ID. With this Gmail ID, I made this GCP free account, and I gave the like I am a owner of this entire account, GCP account. That's why it's provided me the owner role. So I am going to generate the service account. So what's the benefit of the service accounts? Means if you are just working outside of the GCP, means I am going to work outside of this platform. If you are working like with GCP platform, so there is no need for service account. So if you are working with local machines, so you have to generate a GCP service account. So to access all the resources, so I need to access Cloud Function, BigQuery, as well as Google Cloud Storage from my local machine. That's why I need to generate this service account. So how you can generate from GCP service account? So here in the IAM you will see the left side service account, you will find one option service account. You can just click this service account, and after that you there is nothing you will see in your case. Please ignore these service account. So I am going to start how to make the service account. You have to just click in create service account. So first of all you find out this type of page. So you have to just give your service account name. Suppose whatever name you are suitable, you are find out suitable, you can just write it here. It will automatically give this ID for this. So let me just show you. Like I already just type this type of thing. So it automatically taken the account ID automatic. So please give your name according to your convenience. So let me just go through test 4567. This service account I am going to make it. And this email ID, it's like generated like email address is stats @serviceaccount.com. So you can make a description like what services you are going to use or what type of pipeline you are making. Suppose I am making a, GCP pipeline pipeline GCP. Please follow this entire video, then you will know how GCP data pipeline works. If you will skip this video in the between, so you will not understand how GCP data pipeline means. All the cloud platform is similar like AWS, Azure, but service name is different. In here, like GCP, so we have a cloud storage, right? So in AWS we have S3. Is the S3 bucket. That's also a cloud storage work similar, and both the data lakes. So now you have to give the description GCP pipeline cloud function, GCP pipeline cloud function, like this type of means description you can make it. Cloud function you can make it, means whatever suitable description you will find out. Please just note here. So after that create and continue you have to put. So let's wait, it's created and continue. After that, you have to, it's permission, it's asking like what type of role you want to just give. So please, for your suitable things, I will just suggest you please give the honor role, because if you are, this is a personal account, so you have to give yourself as a honor role, because you are going to use all the services. So if you are give the honor role, so there is no permission error you will get in the future. So you'll give the honor role. Otherwise, you can give the editor role also. Both work same, but honor will like a highest permission than editor. So that's why give the honor role. So my cases, I am already given the honor role, and then you have to just create done, and that's it. So when you will just do thing, it's already, it will all mean it will already enabled. After making this like this, you will see like GCP services, and this I already enabled, means automatically when you will just create it, it will already enabled. As well as I provided this description, as well as I generated what JSON key. When means you can just one key, JSON key. So with the JSON secret key, JSON secret key, with the using of GCP will take, or all GCP will take care all the services you are going to use in GCP platform. So how can you make this JSON key? So you have to just three dots, and just make sure you are going to three dots and just click on manage key. After, you will find this type of interface, and with the using of this your account, then you will just find out add key and create new key, and just create. When you will just click on create, so it will be download the JSON secret key in your local machine. So now you are able to use all the services of GCP, because you have provided yourself as a owner. So let me just set up first the Google Cloud Storage, then I will just explain everything. So when you will just come in Google Cloud Storage, please search whatever service you want to just extract. Please search here. You will find out this type of page in your free GCP account or your company account. So this type of page you will find here. You will find left side buckets. Click on that buckets, and please ignore all the things. After that, you have to just create. Click on create button, because of we want just going to create a one bucket for our data pipeline. So whatever suitable name you want to find, please just type here, and label is optional, please continuous. And while making the bucket, please select the region. Don't select the multi region, you select the region. And for my case, I already selected the US East California. So in like it's, you can also make this US East to one side South California, or otherwise you can go with another reason. But make sure whatever reason here you will select, you have to select all the GCP services with same. Suppose I am selecting here US East one side California. So again, I am using a cloud function. I am using the BigQuery. Again, I need to select all the things, all the reason. It's similar manner like US East one South California. Here also GCP services and other GCP services also. So need to just continue. And again, it is a by default. And just click on create. When you'll just click on create, so it will find like this type of bucket, GCP, whatever name you have provided, GCP data engineering services. I made this type of bucket for my cases. And now you will find out like this type of interface after creating your um, data bucket. So here you have to make one folder. So how to make a one folder? So in the bucket, the three dots you will find out, and just click on create folder. Create folder you have to make according to your convenience, whatever name you want to make. Means always try to make a some suitable name which you are going to work. Like I'm going to work with GCP data engineering services, so I make like name of GCP data engineering services with bucket of GCP BigQuery, because I will extract the data from uh, our local machine, and I will just push that data into Google Cloud Storage data lake, and that data lake I will extract the data with the using of cloud function and PubSub trigger and load that data into the BigQuery. So that our pipeline motive. So let me after creating, you have to just give the suitable name. So I given the suitable name, and you will find out this type of bucket. Inside the bucket you will find out this type of folder. So in the folder, please ignore both the files, just bq.json and udf.json. So this type of interface you will find with no files. So what is the motive of after that? So I am just going to explain it. So let me just go with BigQuery now. So let me just go with query. So this is the interface of the BigQuery you will find out. So after searching of BigQuery, you will just land at this page, and after this you have to create it with the using of three dots, like create data set. So now you have to create a data set. So create data set, you have to put your name according to your convenience. Here data set name, you have to just put it. So here you will find out the option of just put your name of the dataset. Please select the reason. So already it's by default selected the multi-reason. So please just change with the reason, and please drop down with the reason. Please drop down and you'll find out means earlier you have selected in Google Cloud Storage US East 1 South California. Please select the same, otherwise it will give you error or permission error. And this then click on create dataset. So in my case I already created it, so I am canceling it. So I created the GCP, like BigQuery underscore data. This is my dataset name I created with the using of same like US East 1 South California. So after that, now you have to create with one table. So how you can make a table, I'm going to explain it. So first of all, I am going to explain what type of data we are going to just push into our BigQuery. So let me just explain you. Like here I have one sample data file. Let me just explain you. Uh, This is a sample data pipeline which I am going to just push into the BigQuery with the using of data pipeline of cloud function. So here you will find out 5,000 sample rows. I have just created the 5,000 of sample rows here, and I taken the name 5,000 and age, city, state, phone, and email. So these data I want to just push into BigQuery with the using of data pipeline of cloud function. So let me just cut it. And what's my motive is, let me just explain you. So this is a pipeline number two. Already I have just discussed pipeline number one. So while you are going into a company, so company will the same type of pipeline you have to make with the using of these services. So I'm going to explain very basic to advanced level. So please follow all the till the end. So you will the master into the GCP data pipeline. So I'm going to upload this file, like I will extract this data from our local folder with the using of Python code. I will make transformation, extract, transform, and load into GCS bucket. This is a first part of this pipeline number two. So after that, once file will be come into the GCS bucket, so I will extract again this file into with the using of cloud function and load into the BigQuery. So this is a overall you can say the structure of the pipeline. So it is like look like very easy. So yes, it is easy, but if you will just follow all the all the series of video, so you will be find out it is very easy. If you are just skip the video, you are unable to understand anything in this video. So let me just go with first part of let me just explain it how we can just extract the data from local folder and load into the GCS bucket with the using of Python code. So extract, transform, load, I will perform it with the making of this pipeline B, pipeline 2 with A. So this is a sample data I already explained. Let me just open my VS code. I'm using the BS code. So here here this code with the using of Python means I'm using the transformation with the using of this Python code means what this Python code does, like it will extract the data from our local file, like and load into the cloud storage. So I already just you know extract this uh, Python packages or libraries, you can just say it. And I just already installed this watchdog. So watchdog will continuously watch that folder. You want to just extract it. I made one folder where I put it all the things. Let me just show you. So this is folder I made it. So like this type of folder you can make it or rename it, means whatever suitable name you can just rename it. When you will generate your you generated your uh, JSON key. So you have to put your JSON key here along with this code, along with this Python code. You have to put mandatory JSON key with there, as well as you can make for a virtual environment. If you haven't watched that, how to make the virtual environment and how to set up it, please go and watch that. So once all the setup has done, so I will provide this link to you in description, so you can go there and watch the same code in GitHub. So let me just run this. So for your understanding, let me just run this. So now you will see like this script is continuously looking for new data come into the GCP. Means it will looking for new USB come into the GCP. So automatically it will load into uh, GCS bucket, Google Cloud Storage bucket. So like this type of credential you have to provide it. That means your folder name means your folder from where you want to extract this file, and your destination folder name, bucket name, and with folder name. And this script will just make some authentication. And let me just show the all script line by line. And here you have to put your JSON key, and as well as JSON key should also in your local machine. So after that you have to run this one, run this script. So let me just drop it. Let me just drop our file so you will find out. Like currently there is no file in GCP, as you will just see it. There is no CSV. You can see it. There is no like extension of CSV. So I'm just dropping it. So currently it is looking continuously looking if new file will be coming into the GCP folder. So it will extract and with the using of this Python code transform and load into the GCS bucket. So let me just drop this CSV file here. I dropped this CSV file here with the timing of this, and now you will just find out like here it is uploaded immediately. A watchdog is watching folder and new file came out, so it immediately within a second it uploaded into the bucket. So let me just check into the bucket. Let So where we made the GCP bucket. So I landed this is a GCP bucket we already created. So let me just refresh this page. So after the refresh this page, you will find out like this type of file in this sample data. Sample data, you will find out this type of file. So the last step, we need to just create our we have set up the Google Cloud Storage. We have set up the BigQuery, and now we are going to set up our cloud function. So how you can make a cloud function? You have to type the cloud function from here, BigQuery, or if you're a cloud admin, you can just search by cloud function, and you can just land at this page. So this page you will land like cloud run function, and after that you have to come into the services, and now you have to create only not deploy container, connect repo. You have to come in, write a function, only write a function. You have to just click it, write a function. it is automatically selected with this function. So now configure it. This function you need to configure it. So whatever suitable name you can just give it, GCP to data or something. So I am just taking as example name this, and again you have to select with same reason. So earlier we selected it South California. So let's find out US East. Yeah, South California, US East. You have to select also the same region. If you are selecting another region, you have to just select it, and you have to just find out like Python. Python 3.11 will be suitable for all the things. Otherwise, you can just choose latest version. So I'm choosing not very latest version because sometime it will create a problem. So I'm not choosing very old one and very new one. I am choosing only middle one. So after that, this setup, you have to create your trigger. So trigger, you need to just we want trigger using a cloud storage, right? Our file is in cloud storage, Google Cloud Storage. So you have to just make a trigger with the using of Google Cloud Storage and wait for some times. So when you will just click Cloud Storage, it will automatically will find out this type of things, and you need to just select your bucket, whatever bucket in your file. So let me just selected it. It selected it, and now it is already connected with US East 1 South California, and now you have to just save trigger. When you will just save trigger, the this event ARC trigger will trigger. So behind of this means in cloud function, so it is event based services of the cloud function. Means when any event will happen, event means when any file will come into the Google Cloud storage, so immediately that pubsub means behind of this scene. I am just going to backend side. Behind of this scene, pubsub will active, and it will immediately give you message, like give the message to cloud function, the file has the file has come into that GCP bucket. So immediately it will trigger from GCP bucket to um, a BigQuery, means whatever services you have selected. So event ARC trigger we have set up it, and now you have to not do anything, and now you have to just create it. So after, when you will just set up this thing, so you will land at this page. Let me just show you. You will land this page, source page. After that, you will land the source page, and now you have to write your Python script. So I will give this Python script in the description, GitHub link. You can just download this Python cloud function. Python over there means you have to write a one cloud function which will extract your data from GCP cloud storage and load into BigQuery. So like I have just shown you earlier, like it will extract the data from GCP bucket and load with BigQuery. So we are using the cloud function. Inside the cloud function, we are using the Python because we are expert in Python. So we are using the Python. You will be the option of earlier, like I selected a 3.12. So you have to also select like this, and I'm using this with the using of cloud function. Also, you have to give this type of Google Cloud BigQuery because we are using the BigQuery services. So this setup, you need to just do it. Please look into this because this is a package and this is a requirement.txt. Like also this is a virtual. While you're creating the virtual environment, you have to just install requirement.txt. If you haven't that video, please go there and watch that video. I already made the virtual how to create a virtual environment and create requirement.txt file. So there is no need to create requirement.txt file. Only you have to mention your packages or libraries, whatever libraries you are using inside the main.py. So I am using only the BigQuery libraries, Google.Cloud BigQuery. So here all the setup has done. So after the setup, so now you have to you have to give your entry point. Entry point means whatever function you have defined it. Here I have defined the function GCS to BigQuery. So earlier it was hello.py something, hello.world or something. So you can, it will give you error if you are not replacing it. So you can replace with this. and once it is done, so you have to just save it, and you will generate this type of URL. So HTTPS, so run app. So earlier cloud function, they have changed the name. Earlier it was a cloud function. Now they have changed the name cloud run function. So cloud run function also based on cloud app, run app. So run app basically we use to deploy our website or app. So the cloud function also based on the run app. That's why it's showing the run app here. So let me just go back and show you. So once your setup has done, so earlier we have drop our um, one file from local to GCS bucket, and we have already set up in the BigQuery tables and data set. Let me just, after when you will just find means you will configure this type of cloud function. So you will just go here, and we have set up an Indian sample data. So Indian sample data, while we just drop that file into, with the using of our local Python script with our this part local folder to GCS bucket. So immediately that function triggered and it loaded that time also. That time is 11:13 59. So it loaded the data into the BigQuery. Now you will see like 5,000 row already loaded into BigQuery because we have done our loading pipeline with this timeline 11:59 or that time, while I'm just showing you how you can just load it. So immediately you can just do like this type of things, and you want to just make some query, you can also make some query in this. Like I want only 1,000 row, you can just run this, select all, means it's not selecting columns, so select all. You can make SQL query or BigQuery here, so it will give you the output of 1,000 row. So you can just find out 1,000 row with the using of cloud function. Mean it is earlier pipeline I have shown you with the using of cloud, cloud transfer, cloud data transfer. So cloud data transfer means again and again, means with the several interval it will just trigger. But the difference between cloud function means if immediately file will land into GCP GCS bucket, so immediately it will that time within a second it will load into data into your BigQuery. So this is a data pipeline with the using of cloud function, and after that you can connect with Power BI or you can connect with Liquor Studio to visualize this data. This is a very means high level data pipeline I have just shown you. In the same way, when you are making the pipeline into any big company, so they will ask you this type of strategy to make a data pipeline. So there is a difference between the company and my pipeline. They will extract the data from different sources. They will do the same strategy and following the same thing. So please like, share, and subscribe this video. I request you, please support us. Thank you so much.